Welcome to Pharma Voice of CPHI PMEC China Virtual Expo Connect. I'm here with Mr. Jia Yu Chen, the Foreign Trade Director of Hebei Tiancheng Pharmaceutical. He joined Hebei Tiancheng Pharmaceutical from 2012 and in charge of import and export business and international CMO cooperation business. Good morning, Mr. Jia. Thank you for joining the interview. Good morning.
Good morning.
What are the opportunities and challenges for China's pharmaceutical industry in the post-COVID era?
Okay, firstly, let me have a brief introduction of our company. Tiancheng Pharma is located in Changzhou City, Hebei Province, and until now, we have more than 50 years of manufacturing experience of drugs. Our dosage formulation products sell well in domestic market, as well as more than 20 different foreign countries, from CIS, Central Asia, Southeast Asia, Latin America. Our plant has passed many times GMP audit from different foreign authorities. Tiancheng Pharma has developed into a pharmaceutical group containing one head office, one generic formulation factory, one API factory, one R&D institute, and one oncology factory, which has certified by EU GMP already. At present, most of our foreign trade business come from our finished formulation, including the large volume infusion, the small volume injection, powder form injection, and the tablet. Comparing with the normal days, the ongoing worldwide COVID epidemic lead to the drugs demand increasing in most of our covered market, but the biggest difficulty is the shortage of the shipping containers and the increased freight rate. So this hard situation has lasted for more than 1 year. So I think this is the biggest challenge for our current business. Yes.
Okay. How do Chinese pharmaceutical enterprises innovate and break through to the unique high value-added products?
Yeah. As a China formulation manufacturer, we are very aware that the business space of the routine generic drugs to be developed in most emerging markets is less and less because of the fact that the local pharmaceutical manufacturers is developed very fast in such emerging markets. Several years ago, we have invested and focused on the R&D of the complicated injectable products, such as the liposome and the nano-injectable oncology drugs. From this year, we have started the registration dossier supplement of such high-value drugs in several countries. Yeah, we are still continue to do this work to develop and launch the high-value drugs in different foreign countries' market.
Yeah, that's great. What do you think of the advantages of integration of raw material and preparation in the international competition?
Yeah, the API and finished dosage formulation, in other words, API and FDF, is also our cabinet's policy, both for domestic and our foreign market, owing by which we can have the priority and advantage to control the cost of the supplying drugs, especially for the government tenders. Usually, besides the domestic, in other words, the China government tender, we also participate some tenders business in foreign countries.
Could you talk about your company's internalization strategy and layout of import and export products? How do you attract attention from your overseas partners?
Yeah, to be frank, limited to the current epidemic influence, the face-to-face talk is not possible anymore. as we know, also the CPHI in China has been delayed to next year. From this year, we try our best to utilize any possible channels and resources to increase the virtual meetings times. In these virtual meetings, we can present our new product, our high value product to the potential clients from worldwide. This is our way, our method to attract the different foreign clients. Yeah.
Okay, how should your company achieve environmental protection? How should your company achieve environmental protection, ecological harmony, and sustainable development while innovating?
Okay. As we know, the innovation is the life of enterprise to develop and to grow, which is also the motive power for our company to develop from a single factory to a pharmaceutical group. Beside of innovation, we always emphasize on the sustainable development and the environment protection, both in plant design and product development strategy design. For example, we stuck to the principle of QBD to equip the most advanced automatic control system when building our new API factory. We assure that the theory of sustainable development and environment protection before action is the key to realize the real ongoing development. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Jia, for your time and sharing. That concludes our interview. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoy. Check more interviews on vec.pharmasources.com.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you for giving our company this opportunity to have this interview. Thank you very much.
Thank you.